Solve the inequality. Write the solution set in interval notation and graph it. Negative 3x is greater than negative 33. To solve this inequality, we want to isolate x on one side by itself. So let's divide both sides by negative 3. Now, as we divide an inequality statement by a negative value, then we need to remember to change the direction of that inequality symbol. So on the left then we have x, and that is less than negative 33 divided by negative 3 is 11. So here's our solution in inequality form. X is less than 11. In interval notation, we would describe this as all numbers from negative infinity up to, but not including 11. And we use parentheses here with our infinity symbols. This is negative infinity. We also want to graph this solution. All values that are less than 11, let's locate 11 on the number line. We'll use the same parenthesis on the graph that we do in our interval notation. And let's create a bold line to the left with a dark arrow indicating that the solution interval is all these numbers that are to the left of 11 on the number line.